Hello everyone, my name is Lakhanlal Markam and my team members are Ravi Kumar, Harshvardhan Kachap and Khilavan Singh. We have a case study task on innovating workforce solution using human resource management system by industry practice and methodology. And these are our table of content. We will go through it. Introduction. Employees are the asset for a company, and HR employee management is important concern. Recruitment management, employee data, and their services, human resource information, and organization structure are the important for a company. So, human resource management is a software solution designed for managing and processing various HR function in centralized manner for an organization. HRMS enhance the employee experience. All the services are managed by HRMS, and also HRMS bring the transparency and better decision making for human resource management leaders and management, and also for employees. It is very useful. And these are aim of our case study, and we explain one by one in next slide. So situation 4. We have a company and for a small company and for scaling it into a large company, these are the some areas we have to enhance like scalability. We have a data, we require a big database architecture and also infrastructure capacity. Load balancing are also important for service request by client and user. And usability. It is important for employees. They have a better user interface design, and it should be a better performance optimization. And for testing and development, it should load testing and security testing. And security, it should be a encrypted in manner and access control for employee and management. And in every month we receive some new version of software. So these are some test driven development evaluation which have prongs like early bug detection, improved code quality and collaboration. And similarly it has some disadvantages like time. It is very time consuming and maintenance is very important. And for continuous integration and continuous deployment, these are some best practice like automated build and automated testing, code quality analysis, and for code deployment, automated deployment and environment priority. And it also has some challenges like integration complexity, testing bottleneck, security concern, and cultural shift. So next part explained by Harshvardhan Kachar.
So training and learning module are essential module in the company. Let's dive into detail. First is content management. This involves the ability to create, organize and manage various types of learning content within the platform like content creation, version control and content repository. Second is learning path. Learning path help structure the learning journey for employees by defining a sequence of courses or module need to complete. Third is assessment tools. Assessment tools are essential for evaluating the understanding and retention of training content, such as quiz and exam creation, grading system. Fourth is integration with certification providers. Integration with external certification providers allows the platform to recognize and sync certification obtained by employees. Next, customer usage and analysis. First is platform logins. This matrix aims to understand the preferred mode of accessing the platform by users, whether through mobile or web browsers. Second is feature click-through rates. This metric assesses the popularity and effectiveness of various features within the platforms. Third is user engagement rates. This metric gauges the overall engagement level of users, with the platform value and stickiness. Fourth is customer feedback analysis. This metric involves analyzing qualitative feedback from users to gain insight into their experience and preferences like survey and reviews. Collect feedback through surveys. Next, Ravi will continue.
Now analyzing cost areas in cloud uses. First one is computer resources. Second one is network cost. Third one is data processing and analysis. In this cost of analytic services, data processing pipeline, querying large dataset, etc. Monitoring and logging. Charges for utilizing monitoring tools, log management and metric storage. Support and service cost. Costs associated with premium support tier or additional services offering from the cloud provider. Next slide. Some some best practices for managing cloud usage cost. Like first one is resource monitoring and optimization. Continuous monitoring resource usage and identifying underutilized or idle resources for optimization or termination. Tagging and cost allocation. Use resource tagging for cost allocation, enabling clear visibility into spending across departments or projects. Use of cost management tools. Utilize in this we utilize cloud provider tools or third-party cost management solutions to track and analyze spending patterns. Data lifecycle management. In this, implement data lifecycle policies to archive or delete outdated data, reducing storage costs. Now coming to common mistakes leading to high cloud cost. Lack of resource monitoring. Not monitored resource usage lead to instances running unnecessary accumulated cost. Ignoring unused resource. Neglecting the identified and deactivated idle or underutilized resource leading to unnecessary cost. Not implemented cost allocated strategy. Without clear cost allocation, it is challenging to attribute expenses to a specified team or projects. Now Kalam will continue.
Slide change, please.
Next slide.
Okay. So now we come up in situation number one. According to the question, we have mind map and a problem breakdown. So our first model is we have to choose two model facing quality issues. For example, employee benefit and employee training. So and second one is a function areas. When we talk about function areas, we should break down each model into a function areas. For example, UI UX data processing and integrations. And third one is the non-function areas. In non-function areas, we should identify non-function affecting qualities. For example, performing and security, data analysis. In this case, we have to examine data related to report issues, user feedback, and issues logs. And root case analysis. In this case, we will identify root uses case as used identify integrated problem and or data inconsistencies. And last one is solution proposal. We have to develop we have to change क्या करिए? So now we are going to conclude this. So HRM is a more than a tool. It's a strategic enabler transforming how organized, manage, and the eager their workspace. It reduces administrative burdens and HRMS significantly amplified operational efficiency. Digital adoption employee centralized approach reduce real-time decision support. Thank you.